is brow maintenance day. So I'm going to tint my eyebrow, but this is the brow kit I'm using. I got this from Vibra. If you live in Netherlands, I got this from Vibra. I have been using it now for a very long time, and you purchase it for just €2. You know, my brow is already dark, but I just like the way it just makes it a little bit darker, not too much. So I went to shape my brow, I think a couple of 3 weeks ago, but you can see now 1 or 2 is growing. So I like to just keep it everything nice. I like to just like go and tweeze the hair that is growing, just bijhouden, gewoon bijhouden. So I have my tweezers. I have this 2 little ones. So this is what I'm doing. So I also have my spoolie, just brush my eyebrow to the normal. And then I have like one, I don't have my glasses on, so it's kind of tricky, but I can still see. Yeah, I do have one here. So this is what I do, that I don't always have to go to the beauty store to shape my eyebrow. I just keep it maintained so that it looks nice. This is what I do. As for my nails, I have to go and do my nails, but I didn't make the appointment on time, so therefore I do not have time. I can't go now, but hopefully next week I'll have the time to go and do my nails and get something else. I really love these short nails, like it's not long, it's like really short, just my natural nail. I like that. The hair is growing. Okay. I'm just removing the extra ones, the ones that is poking through. That is all I'm doing. Just to make sure everything is clean and looking nice. Okay, so now that is done, let's open this. Let's open this. So you have this. This is where you mix you have the color, and you have, where is the spoolie? The spoolie is in there, and you have the activator. So you pour the color according to the instruction of the box. It's just a little bit, you don't really need that much. Okay, just a little bit, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And now you add the activator. So after adding that, you get this small brush and you just mix things. You just mix it first. You just mix it like that. Mix it properly. Mixing the product, I use this old makeup brush and I just applied this first. It's looking kind of weird, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process. So now we're going to do the other side. I'm just following my natural brow shape. And And do not worry if you get any mistake done. You can easily just clean it like that. Very easy. You can use the brush that comes with the product, but I just like using my own. And okay. Whew. You know how the eyebrow can never actually look the same? They are cousins, they are sisters, they are twins, but not super identical twins. You can still see the difference that they are twins, but they don't identically look the same. Even identical twins, they has a slight different. Yes, there's a different, just a little bit. You just have to squint your eyes when you look. There's a different. There is a different. There is something that tells them apart. You just have to look a little bit harder. Squint your eyes, and then you can see that thing that makes them look different. Whew. Okay, another mistake. Not a mistake, but like a wipe off. Just need to wipe it off. Okay, and then after you wipe it off, you can leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. I normally leave it for 15 minutes and then I come back because my eyebrow is already dark, but I want it to be like a little bit darker. Because it's not every day I go outside I like to wear makeup. Sometimes I like to just do my eyebrow a little bit, fill in my eyebrow a little bit. But when I go through this, when I do this process, that one also allows me not to like play with my eyebrow that much. So when I do this, I can actually just go out of the house without filling my eyebrow, or without applying any makeup. Because then my eyebrow is on flick. My eyebrow is on flick. So now let's just leave this. I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, like I said, follow the instruction on the packaging. Do not follow my instructions. My instruction is for my own. So if it doesn't go good, I'm the one that is going to feel it. I don't want to get the blame for anything. Follow the instructions on the packaging. Because this is not my first time doing it, so that's the reason why I follow my own instruction. Stay tuned, I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. Okay, you guys see it? So it's time to soak it a little bit like this. I like to also go the opposite side because sometimes the product, I don't want any product on my eyebrow. So you guys can see, this is the best part. When your eyebrow is clean, like it's shaved, everything is looking nice, and you do this, like it's so easy doing your makeup. You don't really have to do that much, and you can actually just go outside like this without makeup. Because as long as your eyebrow is fixed, like the eyebrow is like the game changer on your face. If your eyebrow is looking good, you're good. So this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I do this, and when it's time to do my makeup, it's make the process a little bit more easier, and I can go outside like this without no makeup. I have no issue with it. Of course, I do have some breakout around my mouth, but it's not like really bad. I do have like always like something here, but it's getting better. It's getting better. It's getting better. But yeah, this is the finished result. Let me know what you think about it in the comment box, and I'll see you all on my next video. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Eyebrow is looking clean. Clean for days. And I also pick up this face mask peeled off. I will come back and try it another time. Today I don't have the energy for that. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. Bye.